This video is for SS Sniper Wolf and Call Me Chris. You are both women, young women, who will maybe one day have a baby of your own. I want you to try to imagine that you have a baby and that somebody you trust comes along and takes your baby from you and then drives away. Now, you're not really sure what's going on because you know this guy and he doesn't hurt you. But suddenly he's taking your baby and you're wondering, wait, where are you going? Wait, can't I come? What are you doing? Why is my baby in a cage? You see, this is what happens on dairy farms. Now, most times it is much worse than this because the cows don't get the freedom that they get here. But in the end, they are always murdered. They are not pets. They are not members of the family. They are treated like objects. They are there for these people to make money with. Stealing babies is wrong. You all know that it's wrong. Stealing anything from animals is wrong. You all know it's wrong. Now, why is this guy taking away this baby boy from his mother? Because the farmers want to steal her milk. They want to steal the baby, to turn the baby into a leather jacket, leather shoes, or a veal sandwich. I don't know how anyone can watch this and not be completely heartbroken. Now, I've had 3 children of my own, so maybe that's why I'm more sensitive to this, or because I'm a grandmother, but I don't think so. I think anyone with a compassionate heart can understand how wrong this is. All of these cows, even the adults, are killed much, much younger than they would have normally lived. They normally live to about 20 years, and they're killed after just a few years. So no, animals don't die of old age on these farms, ever. I'm encouraging you now to stop buying dairy products. No more milk that comes from cows. No more ice cream that comes from cows. No more cheese that comes from cows. You can get the vegan versions. Why not get the vegan versions? It is so easy to do so. Now, there's a common misconception. These farmers always try to tell people that cows don't care about their babies that much. But does it look like that to you here? No. Of course she does. She just doesn't want to attack him because she doesn't really fully understand what's happening. Maybe she hopes that her baby's going to return. When you go to the store, simply put vegan foods in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so please open up your heart. Subscribe to this channel. Help me save these animals. You see on the screen? This is the lie that they try to tell. You know the truth. Subscribe. Press the notification bell. And help me get these animals out of hell. SS Sniper Wolf and Call Me Chris. You know what to do. Be vegan from now on. Google vegan recipes. Help me by spreading the word and telling your audiences that they should be vegan. With regard to SS Sniper Wolf, I'm asking you every time you see an animal or you see food, talk about it on your program. Don't just make fun of that vegan teacher, but actually think about the animals and say, that's too bad that that person is eating chicken wings. They could eat the vegan version. You can make comments like that. And Call Me Chris, you are so talented. You have so many characters. Please make one of your characters be vegan and show empathy towards that character. Explain what vegan phobia is. which is discrimination against vegans. Call me Chris. You can make one of your characters be vegan and gradually convince all of your characters to be vegan. You can totally do this over the next year. Of course, some of them will not be vegan. They will be vegan phobic and they will interact with the vegan characters. But you can do this. You can help us make the world a better place. Both of you can. Now, I don't talk about the environment very much because my primary goal here is to talk about the animals. But the truth is that veganism is amazing for the environment as well. I will be long gone and you will be left with a planet with fishless oceans by the year 2048 is what many scientists are predicting. Now here I'm just talking about the cows, but please go and watch the important documentaries such as Cowspiracy, Seaspiracy, Forks Over Knives, The Game Changers, What the Health. Just start there and with watchdominion.com. Thank you everyone for listening, and this will not be the last time you hear from me. I will never quit until all the cages are empty and everyone in this world understands what they are paying for. I can't force you to be vegan, but I can try my hardest for the rest of my life to talk about it and to tell their stories. Now, to all of my students, I urge you to pick up your camera and do what I'm doing right now. It's not hard. Right now, for example, on TikTok, you can make 3-minute videos. So just film a video like this and talk about the animals and share it on your own YouTube channels. Every single one of you should be having a YouTube channel and be practicing to make videos like this. You'll get better over time. And look, I am not perfect. You don't have to worry about holding your camera so straight. Just film what's going on and talk from your heart. Yes, you will make mistakes, and yes, people will try to be making fun of you. They will be vegan phobic, but carry on. Get out of bed, develop a thick skin, and keep talking on behalf of the animals. Never give up. Thank you. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Please look at them. Please be curious about that vegan teacher's site. I'll see you all soon, and I love you all so much for trying your hardest. Thank you.